room, please. We are having Elijah's pancake birthday cake celebration right now. Elijah is turning 6 and they're melting, so you better make a wish and blow them out quick. Make a wish. No, don't say it out loud. Don't say your wish out loud. It won't come true. You have to say it in your head. Okay, so say it in your head, and then when you're done, blow out the candles. No, Minnie. No, Minnie. No, Minnie. It's not your birthday. Okay, blow out your candles now. Blow harder. Blow harder.
What you do, like?
Blow harder. Yay! Woo! All right, everybody sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you. And many more. All right, say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Say love you, Nana. Love you, Grandma Gina.
Love you, Nana. Love you, Grandma Gina.